flat white is a shorter, stronger coffee and is very popular amongst coffee lovers. This is most commonly served with a double espresso, or if you prefer a weaker coffee, with a single shot and textured milk. I'm going to be using the Selezioni coffee beans for their nutty and slightly spicy tasting notes, as I think these will balance and cut through the milk in equal measure. So, let's make our flat white. Using our Latte Crema system, we can do this very easily. Simply fill the jug with milk and place the lid on top. Make sure you press the buttons on the side as you push the lid on top of the jug. Remove the descaling accessory and place the Latte Crema system into the machine and select the lowest froth level on the carafe dial. Then select the flat white on the recipe dial. Next, let's prepare the espresso. Select OK to start the extraction, and then the Specialista Maestro will do the rest. And there we have it. A delicious flat white. We have added the DeLonghi Latte Crema system to the Specialista Maestro so you can have the convenience of automatic milk recipes on the Maestro. Let's make a cappuccino. For this recipe, I'm going to be using the Classico espresso beans for their balanced body and notes of biscuits, nuts and chocolate, to give that comforting luxury that we love from a cappuccino. Always remember to heat your cup up before making the milky coffees. A cold cup can rob your coffee of the heat. First, fill the jug with fresh cold milk to the top line. Place the latte crema lid onto the jug by pressing both buttons and pushing it onto the jug. Then, remove the descaling accessory and simply slide into the Maestro. Select the highest froth level on the dial and the cappuccino on the recipe dial. Now we just need to prepare the coffee. I'm using the ×2 button and the double filter basket to make a large cappuccino. Check the quick start guide included in your accessory box for the maximum levels the coffee and milks can be set to using the My function. Now we place the portafilter into the brew head and press the OK. First, the coffee will extract, then our latte crema system will create a delicious thick textured milk at just the right temperature. Cappuccino is lovely served with a bit of chocolate powder over the top. And here we have a perfect cappuccino. Velvety, rich and delicious. Using our Latte Crema system, enjoy a Latte Macchiato at the convenience of the Specialista Maestro. I'm going to be using the Selezioni beans for their spicy and nutty flavours to complement the creaminess of the milk. All we need to do is fill our Latte Crema system with fresh cold milk. Place the lid back on top, making sure you press the buttons on the side as you push the lid onto the jug. Select Latte Macchiato on the recipe dial, and then remove the descaling accessory. Next, place the Latte Crema system into the machine. Turn the dial to medium froth setting, then prepare the espresso. Next, we press the OK button and the milk will automatically start to deliver first, then the coffee. If you would like to have more or less coffee and milk, you can adjust the volumes using the My function. See the how-to video using the My function for further details on how to set this. And there we have it, a lovely latte macchiato. It's really easy to clean our Latte Crema system. A milk light shows up on the front panel to remind us as well. Place an empty glass under the carafe spout, then turn the carafe dial to clean and watch hot water and steam remove any milk residue. If you have milk left in the carafe and aren't going to make more coffees just for now, simply place the whole carafe in the fridge.